That's my people, big up on yourself and you don't know it's a Newlink there. From Newlink Production. Now the night of people. Boy, I just pass a scene on the street of people. I just see a life has been lost on the street, you know. Really sad. Just I go home, just see a brother carry the right now the poor people. I did want to do some look of them, but the police them stop me and say, yo, don't take out that. I understand people. Really sad, really tragic and really sad. But that me come to talk about now, people. I don't know what's a Newlink. Yeah. So I have a thing to talk about right now, people. A youth now, boy. The police them capture a youth now in Jamaica and Portmore people. A youth them say them want long time. And not today them want him long time. Cause it's a youth who goes by the name of Thugz. You hear for him name? Slim Thugz. People hear that name there, Slim Thugz. If me a police, you know, and from me hear that the name, then me want to find him. Because them youth nowadays can't give themselves some name what me don't know. If you hear the name them, you can't know so there's something back it. So them say Slim Thugz in a July last year. Him do a shooting where him shoot a brother. And right now from him shoot a brother there in a foot, the brother there have to live with 1 foot. You understand? And the police them say every time them get a look weird about where Slim Thugz there and them go there, them can't find him. Every police a look for him, then can't find him. But people, Slim Thugz, you know, make it out today. Them get him now. Them hold him. Them hold him, man. Them hold Slim Thugz. I don't know what happened to these youths nowadays. The man them give themselves some name there. Eh? Slim Thugz, Slim Jesus, Slim Dog, Slim Fall, Slim this, Slim that. Eh? Boy. My youth I tell you, man. And the youth them expect them can do some crime and expect them are gonna live with the crime them or them do all the day of them life or you know so if you do things they expect you not gonna live with it. Eh? Nah, brother, you know start wasting the life, yeah, man. Start wasting the life. Start wasting the life. Right now, I don't want to waste my life. So you see all the fast driving, I done with it, you know, people. Be honest, when I start the accident there tonight, me done with it, fast driving. See it? I done with it. Done with it. My blood run cold in the night, no joke. Cold. Yeah, and our next thing to talk about now, because we done with the work of Slim Thugz there now, because you police them are going to deal with your case now, because you know, you're too wicked and wild. The look woman there now, then I'm going to be, you know, what thief the woman baby now, people. See? After them get the full details on the woman there now. She's a 26-year-old female. You get me? From out our community down there, them call him Narwood. Them find the baby in the people. Them find the baby. Because, remember say, the investigators and everybody that look out for the baby. You understand? So, the police, them get some information. So, the baby they at a certain yard with a man and a woman. And at the same woman, the police, them go find. With baby in a hand, cuddle up in a yard like a fiend pitney. Him and him man. You understand me, people? Two of them have the people and pitney, like a for them pitney. Eh? And she's just 26 years old, so she still can't breathe. Me don't want to her make she can't go make pitney or something. Or if she tube them black up, if she can't go find some bush or release it. Look what bush doctor there. Or if a man's sperm count weak, you go eat some, drink some, bend up some peanut and drink or something. You understand? And try make a pitney or go one doctor or something. Eh? Then go and thief the people and baby. Eh? What make you know so thief? You can't look for your thief people picking it. No? You know in a big trouble. And then like say a mad woman, she no mad people. She's a bartender. Which bartender can mad? You have to check people stock and there sitting there. Eh? Nobody can put in them bar if you're mad. Because you got I don't know what I'm doing. Eh? Thiefy people and baby have people all by baby buckle already have feed picnic on veranda. Eh? Baby like a fear with wrap up in a blanket or something. Eh? Boy, I saw you want to do it. What this world coming to Newlink, we have to drop a attack like a bomb attack porno. Channel star. Viewers and my subscribers, some things out there sometime where me I tell you have to really be careful. You understand? Really we have to be careful. We really have to be careful because plenty things you see out there you can't trust. And everybody we see out there now, and you see they look like say them have sense or enough of them we see out there them have no sense. You understand? You can't. Some of you guys are my subscribers right now, new link name now go too long in a damn thing. Because we are tell you, a time for your change to happen. See, people need to get wise up now. Get wise up. Wise up. Remember me tell you, time is getting short. You see how life set nowadays? It's getting short. Honestly. Life getting short. Viewers and subscribers, don't know this is a new link from New Link Production, and we saw attack. Bless up people, bless the love, enough love and thanks. And you know what I mean? As I say, it's a sad night in Turks and Caicos, because right now, if the family didn't even get the information, so they lost a loved one right now. You understand? One of their loved one last night. And I tell people, head smashing at the pole. Head in at the pole. Let me tell you, say, he don't want head in at the pole. In a pole. You can't crash group in the pole and then head each up in the pole. So neck pop, everything, blood a run, join everything. I tell you, terrible thing, terrible. So if you guys are my subscriber, you don't know this is a new link, I say enough love and enough respect in the people and just stay safe. I don't know a thing. We saw attack. Bless up people. Big up.